Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your own pet in Roblox Studio. You can show this to your friends, so let's get into it. Let's go. So first thing first, I'm gonna do all of this so I can get in the tutorial. So first we're gonna make our own pet. I'm going to create a part, just gonna design it, customize it. You can make your own pet if you want. So next I'm gonna make it smooth so it become better. There we go. So I have this. Now we can color it anything we want. I'm gonna go with red, and then I'll customize it, put something cool. So yeah, let's put some horns. Horns are cool. There you go. Yup. Oops. Gonna move it like that. Move it in here. Okay, that's not a problem. There. Looks like a cat. Let me lower the. Not like that. That's better. So I'm gonna duplicate this. Let me just make it small so I can change the size. It's maybe dark like this. Yep, that's better. I'll move it to the other one. And then just like that. That's nice now. So I'm gonna fix some here. Just do it like this. Yep, that's better. I'm gonna add a face. Go here and search face. Pet face or a cat face. I'll search a cat face instead. Oh, wow, that's creepy. I'll go in this. There. That's very cute. So now we're gonna group them, call them as a red cat pet. So now we have this red cat pet. Now all we need to do is go to the server, replicate storage, make a folder, and let's call it pets, and put the red cat pet in the side of the pets folder. So next, go to the server player, starter character scripts, open this, okay, so you can see the starter character script. Add a script called the pet script, or giver script, pet giver. After that, I'm gonna wait, so character, script parent, local humanoid, character, child humanoid, if humanoid, then I'm going to the local replicate storage again. Replicated storage, local pets folder, replicated storage, time for child pets. After that, go to here pets, and then local red cat pet pets folder, red cat pet clone. Then after that, functions, let me get the humanoid report. So going back here, local humanoid report, say humanoid report. So wait, if you have a humanoid, Wait, I'm just checking this, don't follow me. Wait a minute. View part, where's the... Oh, never mind, it's not here. I'm so dumb. So, let's continue. Local function, give pet. So, give pet trigger. And then, I'm gonna make a... Wow. Wait, I'm gonna quarantine, resume quarantine, create function, look as a follower. It will follow them. It will follow you. So, report. Wait, I meant no. Red card pet and the. Wait, let's rename it. So, oh yeah, I forgot. I'm go to the workspace again, drag the pet cut, and then we're gonna glue them, weld them. So I'm gonna weld all of these if needed, and there we go. And then let's put back the pet in the folder. I mean let's go back again and call this as a head. This thing, just don't rename it. If you want to rename it then. So I'm gonna anchor this and then uncheck the concollide, all of them. So after that, we're gonna put the red cut folder, red cut beside the pets. So now we're going to the head. C frame. Okay, we need to make it smooth, so I'm gonna go here. Local swing survive game. But survive still survives. After that, local tune info fade. Tune info new 0.2 and missing style linear or sign instead, so it's more smoother. Same direction, outs, then 0, false 0, and then while waits, local follower goal, then C frame, humanoid report, C frame, C frame dot new 223, and then local follower confirmed, reverse create, and the red cat pet and the head. So now we're gonna put the twin info fade and then follower goal. After that, follower confirmed, play. There you go. Maybe they use all of it. I guess he used all of it. Yep. So let's try it out in the game. Let me play it. Oh, I forgot. Wait. Oh yeah. Wait. So go to the script again and keep pets red cut pet parent to the workspace. Let's do game workspace instead. So after that, let's go try it, and this is the result. You have a pet now, and there you have it. It follows you everywhere. If you even go there, how much speed you got. So yeah, there you go. You have a pet. See, it's kind of cool. So if you touch it, it's just not gonna. It's not annoying. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Hope you enjoyed, and stay safe. make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification below. Goodbye and see you to another tutorial video. Peace.